And this one has to be futzing with his paper.
Yeah. What was that you said? Yeah, you. You specifically. Yeah.
So the other day I decided I wanted to make some weird stuff. So I did. He's supposed to be like a little cherub thing. He kind of just looks like a flying naked guy. But that's what he was supposed to be. I think the plan is a sky-colored background and some clouds. Actually, I don't know. Should I just make two? I don't know. Let's just make one and see. I made the original one because I just had a bunch of this color left over, and I thought, what could I make that's like a weird pinky color? Oh, I know. Bald babies with wings. And then he's gonna need some eyeballs. I'm sure there is a system that looks less stupid than this, but I've just gotten so used to using this that I don't care. Oh dear. It's fine. Well, yeah. Can you imagine you ask somebody to make you a wedding cake topper? And this is the rendering you get. I gotta be honest, I didn't think making a person out of pom-pom balls would work, but somehow it kind of does. I'm thinking about maybe doing like little toy soldiers for Christmas or something, like little nutcracker people could be cool. I don't know. I'm thinking way too far ahead. I've been thinking about Christmas ornaments a lot lately. I have a lot of ideas for Halloween crafts too, but I don't know. Sometimes I just get in the mood to make Christmassy things to the point where I have already bought a tiny Christmas tree to hang my tiny ornaments that I've been making secretly onto it. Need a teeny tiny mouse or a teeny tiny creepy little baby. Here comes the tricky part. Okay, you gotta put the glue, you gotta put the mouse, and then you gotta mash it in his face. Oh, I gotta glue his wings on. That's very important. There we go. Okay, there's the hoop. We got a fat baby and a moderately less fat baby. Yeah, only two are gonna fit on here. There's no way I would be able to fit a third one unless I just sat them like this, which is not interesting at all visually. So I could do like that and then have some clouds here. I just don't know how much to put on, I think, is the problem. I think that's a good cloud. I think that's a convincing cloud. The problem is, how do I hurry up and glue it before it moves? If I just lay some glue. I don't know how this is gonna work at all. Okay. It should stay. Like, it's not gonna come off unless you pull on it, so. And then, while I'm thinking about it, the other thing I wanted to do was add some little sprinkles onto the clouds. Trying to grab any that look good, because some of the stars, they're cut out of polymer clay, so sometimes they look a little weird. Sometimes you have ideas that are good, and sometimes you have ideas that are just ideas. I think the most fun I have with these projects are the ones that I have no idea what they are until they're done. I love making the little bears and everything, but sometimes you just want to see what your brain's gonna do when you just let it go. I don't know if it needs a second cloud. I don't know if I can even get a second cloud on there. Does it need it? Does it? I think so. Okay. I'll glue it on exactly how it looks right now because I think it looks cool. There. Okay. I do like how the clouds look with just the stars, but I also think it's kind of cool to just throw a bunch of random stuff on there. And then I was also curious what it would look like if it was a sunset, so I made another one. Then there's also this guy, who's just, a ghost. And for that one, I kind of just want to make a couple ghosts and hang them from some chains on the embroidery hoop so that they kind of slide around on it. So for this one, I'm just going to use some black fleece, and then the little ghost is basically just 2 pom-pom balls with some eyes stuck into it, and that's what goes under the sheet, which is just a piece of felt that I am carefully poking some holes into and then gluing strategically around the little guy. For this, the only thing you really have to be precise with is just the placement of where the folds in the sheet go so that it looks ghosty. And there's just enough room for 2, so that's good. And then I'm gonna stick some head pins in here because I'm going to hang them from the chain so that they can move around. And then I'm just kind of measuring out how much chain I need for each part. And then I'm gonna glue the ends of the chain to the hoop, but I'm going to leave everything else loose so that the little ghost can scoot back and forth. There's the first one. Slides pretty good. And the second one. There we go. So spooky. I really want to make more of these. Kind of makes me want to make more Halloween stuff, which I might do. But I do like these two together. I think they're fun and stupid. I don't know. Sometimes I just want to make stupid things. I don't want it to necessarily be cute. I just want it to be stupid. And I think that is this. A lot of times this is where my brain is at. Sometimes my brain is here and sometimes my brain is here. You know? Regardless, I hope you guys had fun with these. I had fun making these, and I will throw them up into the Etsy shop as well as some of these, because I might have made more ornaments. But if you're into buying off-season holiday supplies, there you go. And probably some other stuff. But that's the end of this week's video. I will see you guys in the next one, and until then, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I will see you next time.